guys, welcome to Mama Tries. So we are going to be working on the dollhouse, and we got a 33-inch tall dollhouse. It's huge, and so we're going to be working on that. We're going to pull out all the wallpaper, all the old flooring, because there is some really interesting choiced wallpaper in there. And then there's also a whole bunch of stickers, so we're going to strip it down and get it down to something that we can pretty much manage when we go to cut the doors and the windows and paint it and all that good jazz. That's good stuff. So today's just going to be a really short video. We're just going to peel all of that and sand down what we can sand down, and just try to get it, you know, looking pretty simple. This is our little fixer-upper, and yeah, so make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that way you guys get notified when we post up the next video of this series. We're doing many different kind of series on this channel. It's going to be this one. We also have the Christmas series, and soon after this one we will have the Halloween room series of how to do a little cardboard box room, dollhouse room. And also I had gotten some requests on showing how to sew, so I have some fabric where I'm going to sew pillows so you guys can see how to hand sew, and that way you kind of know more or less on how I do the pillows and the curtains and stuff for the dollhouses. And all you have to do is put it in a larger scale if you want to do a little small throw pillow for your bed. It's 10 times more easier on a sewing machine, but if you don't have a sewing machine and you want to attempt to do it by hand, at least you can see that video, so I'm going to be doing that soon. So you want to hit that notification bell so that way you get notified when I post those videos. And yeah, let's get started on this dollhouse. Oh man, that was a lot of work on that. That was pulling out a lot of different things, and I even had to enlist my kids because it was just a lot of work. Well, we got it all sanded down. We're just gonna kind of let it sit there for a moment because we try to clean up as much as we could, but there's some stuff that is like still just stuck in there, so we gotta wait for our vacuum to charge up so that we can stick it in there and really try to clean up as much as we possibly can. Yeah, I guess tomorrow we will work on cutting out those windows and doors, and hopefully I got the right measurements. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful one. Bye.